Today we're going to be taking a look at this Petaboo pet grooming system. Thank you so much to the company for sending me this so I could show you how it works and tell you my thoughts about it. Let's go over all of the accessories that this system comes with. First off, it has this one base here, and this is the actual vacuuming unit. This is a charging base. You plug the power cord into this base and then it will charge this unit. However, the unit is completely detachable, so you can use it without any cords at all. They also give you this second base, which has slots that hold every single tool that comes with this kit. So it's really great to keep it all organized and in one place. The things that come with this pet grooming set are, these are all different types of brushes. This brush is more for daily use. There's one for dematting if you have heavy mats in your pet's fur. And then they also have things like a shaver. This is a crevice tool, so you can use this not only for your pets, but you can use this for your furniture, for your car, to remove pet hair from any of those places. So this is great to get in those small places. And they also give you 3 different thicknesses of combs. This tool is actually a roller, so it removes hair on things like cushions or flat surfaces. This tool has a little grinder right here, so you can actually trim your pet's nails as well. So they have really thought about everything that you would need to do your pet grooming at home instead of paying the expensive price of taking them out to a salon. When you're using the tool, all of the hair is going to go in here, and all you have to do to detach it and clean out this reservoir is press this button right here, and it detaches really easily. Let's try it on my cat and see how she likes it. Overall, this pet vacuum worked really well on my cat. The noise is pretty quiet, so she wasn't scared of it at all. It had plenty of suction power. So if you are looking for a pet grooming system vacuum, then I would definitely recommend this one.